Has the Congress overreacted on this book on Sonia Gandhi? Joining me on the center stage face-off tonight, Salman Khurshid, Minister in the Union Government of Corporate and Minority Affairs. With us also Ravi Shankar Prasad, Chief Spokesperson and General Secretary of the BJP. One of India's leading authors, Shobha Dey, is with us. Javed Ansari, Headlines Bureau's political editor. We'll be joined by Javier Moro, the author of this now controversial book, in just a while from now. My first question to you, Mr. Khurshid, has the party overreacted? This book would have probably come and gone, not made much of a splash if the Congress hadn't reacted by threatening to sue the author of this book, by calling his comments defamatory. You've given it so much publicity. None of this would have happened if the Congress had overreacted. Your comments on that, Mr. Khurshid?
Well, I think that's a principle that could easily rule out any defamation cases. If one was to worry about the fallout of bringing to book people who have caused defamation, then there would be no defamation litigation in this country or anywhere else in the world. I think this is a call that one takes. This is a course that one takes in order to ensure that people don't take for granted the personality or the dignity of a person, particularly if that person is in a place of importance like Mrs. Gandhi is. And I personally think that this is an appropriate thing to do. It's a part of the law of our land. Let it be seen in that context.
Okay, Javier Moro now joins us live on center stage this evening. Mr. Moro, the Congress has leveled very serious allegations against you. I want to begin by the first point being made by the Congress, that you've on YouTube given interviews saying that this book is a biography. You didn't call it fiction, you didn't call it a novel, you've called it a biography. You've come on record saying this. You're now describing this book as fiction. You're calling it a fictional biography, which the Congress says is an oxymoron. Your comments on the Congress's allegations against you, Mr. Moro?
Yes, they're ridiculous allegations, absolutely ridiculous, and they don't hold the ground. I mean, and they're based on subjective appreciations of Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who happens not to be he must not read a lot of literature, because he makes comments as if it were a text of law. What I mean by that is that it's all out of proportion. The book is a eulogy of the Gandhis. The book serves that history, I mean, in a remarkable way, and there, I mean, I fictionalize it, like, for example, that movie, The Queen by Stephen Frears. Do you think the Queen of England had sued Stephen Frears or even threatened that? I mean, what you cannot, what's not acceptable is that you cannot be ruling a country of 1 billion people and pretending not to be a public figure. If you're a public figure, you have to be under the public scrutiny, and anybody can write about you, provided you don't make, you don't say lies or libelous things or you know.
That's what the Congress is saying, that you've said libelous things.
But they are not substantiated. First of all, I wouldn't say Congress. We're talking about Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who represents Sonia Gandhi. I mean, you say it's Congress like the whole party was against it. I can tell you that's not the case. I'm waiting that someone in Congress has, you know, a bit more intelligence than Mr. Singhvi, and realizes, he reads the book, that the book is a boon for the Congress, for the Gandhis, and for Sonia Gandhi.